No Handle World, Sanitary Public Solutions. Installation of the PAP model. You will find all the necessary hardware you need to install in the bag provided. Wrap the door handle with the self-adhesive sheath and cut the excess using wire cutters. Take the tie wrap and insert inside the self-adhesive sheath. Remove the protective film. Wrap the self-adhesive sheath around the handle. Insert the tip of the tie wrap. Tighten firmly and cut the excess tie wrap with wire cutters. This is how to proceed with a door handle lever. Take the self-adhesive sheath and wrap the lever and cut the excess. Remove the protective film. Insert the tie wrap in the self-adhesive sheath. Wrap the lever with the sheath. Insert the tip of the tie wrap and tighten firmly around the handle. Cut the excess tie wrap with wire cutters. Measure the distance from the door frame to the center of the eye of your tie wrap. Here the measurement is 3¼ inch. Measure 1 inch from the bottom of the door and make a mark, and 7 inches from the bottom of the door and make a mark. So you will be able to install your foot system. Do a mark from the door frame for your 3¼ inch measurement. Remove the protective film and stick the foot system in the center, using your top markings as a guideline. It is important that your area is clean with a degreaser and dry before sticking the system to the door. Do not forget to press firmly on the system to ensure that it is properly sticking to the door. Now, let's install the cable that will connect the foot system to your door handle knob or lever. Insert the steel cable in the steel clamp. Then insert the steel cable in the foot system. Make a loop. Insert in the steel clamp. And make sure you have a minimum of cable that is exceeding. If necessary, cut the excess steel cable. Take your pliers and squeeze the steel clamp. Insert your steel cable in the stainless steel tube. You will then repeat the same steps as before. Insert a steel clamp. Insert the steel cable in the eye of the tie wrap. Reinsert your steel cable in the steel clamp, making a loop. And this time, you will tighten the cable while ensuring the door handle is in its original position. Once this is done, take your pliers and squeeze the steel clamp. And cut the excess steel cable. You must do an extra step at this point. You must measure the length of the cable and divide this measurement by 2 and make a mark on the door. You have to mark the stainless tube at 5.5 inches. Then, remove the protective film from the stainless steel tube, and you have to align those 2 marks from the tube and on the door. Make sure that this is parallel to the frame door. Once this is done, firmly press on the tube to ensure it is properly sticking on the door. Although the adhesive is enough, you can add sturdiness to your system by screwing the 4 screws in the 4 corners of the system. Stick the pictogram close to the door handle. This is to advise the user that there's a new system to open the door. Finally, test your new no-handle whirl system. Welcome to a no-handle whirl.